Hello, my name is Andrew Harris and I'm an Associate Professor and Programme Lead at Peninsula Dental School. At the University of Plymouth, we offer a 3-year part-time MSc in Restorative Dentistry. It's designed to help clinicians develop advancing skills whilst continuing their clinical practice. The idea behind this programme was simple: to help busy general dental practitioners upskill without stepping away from their day-to-day work. In fact, I was one of the very first students on this course when it launched over 13 years ago. Our aim is clear: to give dentists the tools, knowledge and confidence to manage complex restorative cases to a really high standard. This programme is for GDC registered dentists with at least 2 years of clinical experience. It's delivered part-time over 3 years, making it easy to fit around professional commitments. Our students come from all kinds of backgrounds. Some are busy GDPs looking to expand their treatment options. Others use the course as a springboard into specialist training or academic roles. And a few of our alumni have even returned as tutors and course leaders. Each year includes 160 hours of face-to-face teaching, including seminars, hands-on practical sessions and clinical case discussions. Alongside that, students complete around 220 hours of supervised casework within their own practices. So the learning has real immediate impact for your patients. The course is practical, patient-focused and evidence-based. It is not remote, it is not theoretical. Dentistry is a hands-on profession and that teaching reflects that. The programme is flexible. You can complete it in stages or commit to the full MSc from the start. Successfully completing Year 1 earns a postgraduate certificate. Years 1 and 2 together lead to a postgraduate diploma, and after 3 years you can complete the full MSc, which includes an independent research module. You can even take gap years between modules and complete the course over a longer period if needed. The curriculum covers the full spectrum of contemporary restorative dentistry, including prosthodontics, such as occlusion, aesthetic dentistry and implant placement and restoration, non-surgical and surgical periodontology, and the whole remit and gamut of endodontics. You'll be taught by consultants and subject specialists supported by visiting clinicians from across the UK and internationally. The course is accredited by the Royal College of Surgeons of England, the highest mark of quality and academic rigour. Fees are structured per module and spread over 3 years. Applications are open year-round, but places are limited, so we recommend applying early. If you're ready to build clinical confidence and take your skills to the next level, we'd love to welcome you to the MSc in Restorative Dentistry at the University of Plymouth. We're here to support your growth every step of the way.